Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 21st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Welcome to the first day of winter. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that they are down about a half a point to 24.85 and a quarter per contract. Markets, again, had another rough day yesterday. All in all, when you look at this tape, though, markets have come off the lows here ahead of the opening bell. We'll see where we trade out by the close, though. We'll see if anybody wants to hold stocks into the weekend. And again, this is the final trading week before the Christmas holiday. So it's going to be an interesting session. But we still have some stocks in the news, so let's go to them and see what we can make some money. Nike is up first. Ticker symbol is NKE. Stock right now is trading at $73.65. It closed at $67.53. This is a very, very good pop after earnings. We'll give this the upside bias probably to around 77 and a quarter, 77 and a half. That's where you really run into a wall of resistance. So we'll see if Nike can get up there. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do much here. We'll look at it once the opening bell. Anytime we look at Nike, we also want to look at Under Armour, and we'll look at that one right now. We'll look at the A shares. That's getting a little bit of an uptick. Let's take a look at Lululemon. Sometimes that'll follow suit. That's trading at 114.70. Not really doing much there. It's down a little bit. Let's take a look at DKS, which is Dick's Sporting Goods. That's not doing anything this morning. And we'll just take a look at one more here, Foot Locker. That's getting a little bit of an uptick there. That's at $48.98, closed at $47.92. So Nike in play today. And again, nice little pop after the earnings announcement. We'll see how this trades out once the opening bell rings. But like I said, there's very good resistance around a 77 and a quarter, 77 and a half level. Next up, we want to take a look at Cintas, CTAS. Right now, this is trading at 167.10. This started out a little bit weaker today. When I look at this, it closed at 159. So this is a pretty decent pop. We'll see if it could get into the 170 level. If it could do that and establish itself, that would be a pretty strong day. I'm not sure it does that. We will keep it on the radar. We'll see how this thing plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, I'm thinking just a Pierce of 170 should be some decent intraday resistance. Let's take a look at PRGO, PRGO. I did see that there was some news on this. It looks like the Irish Office of Revenue Commissioners, I guess that's their IRS, came down with a tax bill on them. Stock is sliding today. It closed at 52.36. Now trading at 46.75. So pretty good haircut there. This stock has been on the slide anyway. And again, we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. To be honest, there's nothing I would do with this name right now. I'd kind of just leave this one alone. Let's take a look at CarMax. I believe that's on the back of earnings. Stock is trading at $57. Closed at $56.72. This actually started much weaker down around the 52 level. And then it got a little bit of a bid. I was looking for the $50 even number to see if it would get a bounce there. But, again, no real volume out here at the moment. So we'll look at this one again once the opening bell rings. But I believe they did report earnings. Sometimes you'll get AutoNation to run in sympathy. Right now that's trading pretty much flat from the close. So, again, keep those on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. Looks like Big Mo here, Altria Group, was downgraded today by Citi. So we'll see how that plays out today. Again, little weaker tape. I think they did make a big investment in the Jewel Company, so we'll see how that plays out. Big news that General Mattis is resigning, and we want to watch all of the defense stocks today. Lockheed Martin, under a little bit of pressure, closed at 265.29, now trading at 262.75. Take a look at Raytheon, RTN. This is trading at 155, closed at 157.95. General Dynamics is another. This is trading right at basically where it closed at 154.61. Also, Northrop Grumman, NOC. This is trading at 243.62, pretty much right where it closed. But keep them on the radar. They could be affected a little bit today, and we'll see how that plays out. Next up, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold getting hit today, down $3.80 to $1,264 an ounce. Gold yesterday had a pretty good day. Today it's retreating just a little bit. GLD is trading at $19.19. Let's take a look at crude oil, down another 52 cents today to $45.35 a barrel. Crude has been very, very weak lately, has been struggling. Even when it gets a bid, it doesn't hold it for more than a day. we'll see how we play out today. Right now, the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, trading at $9.50. So with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another solid day yesterday. Volatility creates opportunities. The moves are big and wide. Again, you got to be patient, but this is a market where you could do very, very well in the day trading environment. Again, if you haven't done so and you want to just trade right alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We'd love to have you there. Check it out. And again, we've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.